are a commercial and residential millwork manufacturer. That means that we're making panels, cabinets, ceilings, things like that that go into homes and office buildings. Taking a lot of analog data from the field, meaning measurements primarily, and moving that through our system is complicated. Claris plays an important part of that.
We use FileMaker Pro to put all our jobs into. It's an estimating tool as well. It's a big database, so it's where we get our proposals out. It's where we get our work orders out. You can still add on to it, which is really cool because it doesn't really stop until you're happy with what it has.
I use Claris FileMaker on a daily basis. All of our remote people can see it right away. I don't have to send separate emails or separate text messages or something. All their information is updated as soon as my stuff is updated.
When I first started working here, we did have FileMaker Pro. It was a really, really basic, this is 20 plus years ago, really basic program, but I used it all the time. What we were really looking for was a way to do estimating, bidding jobs. It was really, our old system was just really difficult, a lot of data entry, a lot of room for error. And when we got Claris FileMaker, honestly, on day one, we were up and running. It's so intuitive, it's so easy. Anybody could use this. And we were putting out bids on our very first day. We didn't have to go through a bunch of training and all this learning curve. It was right out the gate.
We can think of business processes, reports, applications, ways of working that Claris allows us to do that we weren't able to do with our old accounting system. Claris FileMaker works for us because it allows us to dream again.